this lesson, we are going to find blind SQL injection attack in DVWA low level security. So, first of all, log into your DVWA, then scroll down below and choose DVWA security as low. So, just select low security and click on submit. Now, click on SQL injection blind. Here it is a form like same as SQL injection low level security. So, give any user ID and click on submit. So after submitting it, it is showing that user ID exists in the database. It is not showing us first name or last name like it was showing before in SQL injection. So what if I am going to enter here 1 and single inverted comma and click on submit? So it is not giving any SQL injection error like we were getting in SQL injection attack. So it is completely blind SQL injection attack. So in blind SQL injection attack, you cannot display that whole table like we were getting in SQL injection attack. So that was showing us like users, database, and its credential. But in blind SQL attack, you cannot find this like before. This will only answer like true or false. Means if you are giving value like your database starts with D, and it will show if your answer is true, then it will show you true value, and if you are entering like any wrong database starting with E, so it will give you error. So this is like this is how it works. So you need to find it one by one, like first your database start with D, then next character is W. So you need to find match it one by one, and you cannot find it easily on manual base. So we are just going to use here SQL map tool. So this is how this blind SQL injection attack works. If you want to check whether this site is vulnerable for SQL injection or not, then you can use command like give any user ID, then use single inverted comma, then and 1 is equal to 1, and to end it with hash. So it is a boolean base. So if our given input is true, like 1 is equal to 1 is true value, so it will give us some other option. So it is showing that user ID is missing from the database. So just use 1 single inverted comma. So use here or 1 is equal to 1 and hash. So here we cannot use AND operator because first value is our incorrect. So if our both values are true, then it will not show us error. So we are using OR. So what OR is doing, it is checking whether first condition is right or next condition is right. So if any condition is right, it will give us success. So our next condition is 1 is equal to 1, so it is a right condition, so it will not give us error. So click on submit. So here you can see user ID exists in the database. So this is how you can find this site is vulnerable for blind SQL injection attack. Now we are going to set up Bursuit proxy to intercept that request. So for that, click on menu, then options, click on advanced, go to network connection settings, select your proxy, and OK. Now open your Bursuit. I have already set a proxy, and simply click on turn on intercept. Enter any user ID here and click on submit. So we got the request in our Bursuit. Here you can see it is our request. It is showing us cookie security level as a low. Now copy a referral URL. So copy whole URL, http 192.168.198.1:8090. So select all URL, right click and click on copy URL. Now open your Kali Linux machine. So I have already opened my virtual machine. Now use command SQL map -u for URL, use double inverted comma and paste our URL here, and close it using double inverted comma. Now use hyphen hyphen cookie and paste our cookie here. You need to copy paste all cookie like with its security level and everything. So just use command hyphen hyphen cookie is equal to double inverted comma. Open your burp suite. Select cookie from security level load to PHP SSID ending. Right click it and copy it. Just copy it and paste it into our Kali machine. Use Ctrl Shift V to paste it. Sorry, I have copied and pasted URL here. So just remove that URL here. Open burp suite. Select your cookie. Use Ctrl C to copy this cookie and paste it into our Kali machine using Ctrl Shift V. Now close this using double inverted comma. We need to find its database. So we are going to use command here hyphen hyphen dbs. So it will display database here. So click on OK. SQL map will take some time to find that database. So what it is saying, it looks like backend database is a MySQL. Do you want to skip test payload specific for other DBMS? So I want to skip to scan for other database. So just click on Y because it have already detected that it is a MySQL based. So it will take some time. That's why I'm skipping it by Y. Now there will be, it will ask so many things. So just click on Y. I'm forwarding it because it will take some time. Now as we can see, it showed us all the database which is present on my Windows machine like DVWA, information schema, MySQL. So these are all the database, but we need to find information about particular database DVWA because it is our target database. So we successfully got our database here. Now just use up arrow to use our command as before. Thereafter use hyphen D. I'm just using exclusive mode in my VMware. Now use a hyphen capital D. We know our database is DVWA, so just give our database name and use hyphen hyphen tables. So it will start displaying tables present on our DVW database. So these are our tables. So questbook and users. I don't think so that questbook will contain any useful information. So we will try to find information about users table. So use up arrow, then after capital D DVWA, remove hyphen hyphen tables and use capital T. Our table name is users. Thereafter use hyphen hyphens and we need to find columns. So after this it will list all the columns like users, avatar, field, login, first name, last name and everything. So we need to find user as well as password here because the rest of the things are not of any use to us. So use hyphen capital C. We need to find column user comma password and we need to use hyphen hyphen dump to dump that information. So use hyphen hyphen dump and click on OK. So it will start dumping all the information like it have given all the passwords, but these passwords are in encrypted format. So it is showing that we want to store hashes to temporary file for the processing with tools. So click on yes. So it is asking to whether you want to crack this password via dictionary attack. So I want to crack this, so I am entering hyphen y. So it is asking uh, dictionary file location. So if you have any dictionary, then you can give its location, and if you did not give any location, then it will start performing attack by default location. So our default dictionary is in slash user share SQL map data txt word list. So if I press enter, it will start scanning from default dictionary. So just give enter because I don't want to give any dictionary location. Now do you want to use common password suffixes? So just use y. So it will start cracking our passwords. SQL map is trying to match all the password from dictionary, so it will take some time. That's why I'm just forwarding this. So it is cracking all of the passwords. Here you can see it cracked all the password like password of 1337 user is Charlie, for admin is password, for a god knob is abc123. So this is how you can perform blind SQL injection attack using SQL map and crack all the passwords.